Back up on this 5320 water pump replacement and others. Today's the 14th of July, Sunday. Here's the new thermostat housing, thermostat gasket. This sensor right here is a cold start timing advance. Apparently they're notorious for shorting out, blows a fuse, drops out your fuel shutoff solenoid. Boys over at the John Deere dealership said best thing to do, put that back in, don't connect it. I'm here in Texas, we really don't need that. Water pump's on, got the hub set in place, belts are set in place. Changing out all the little small hoses on all the ancillary stuff. Over here, I forgot two formed hoses I have to get. Got two of these. This is your oil cooler right here. It's called a pancake cooler. These go to your oil cooler. And when I pull these loose to get the supply and return hooked up coming off of the water pump, notice they were kind of swollen. They need to be replaced too. And of course I didn't pick those up. So order more parts on Monday. It's coming along pretty good. This is the radiator as it came back from the radiator shop. Exterior, who cares? What's important is they boiled it out and cleaned out the mineral deposits on the ID of the tubing going through the radiator, which is a good thing. Modified the shroud with a couple slots to clear these ears on each side. She'll have to bend it just a little bit, but I don't have to bend it over an inch, so it should go on a whole lot easier. And just lots of parts to put back together. It's cool today. It's supposed to be hotter than hell by Thursday of next week. Kind of dreading that. So I'll try to get all this done before Thursday of next week. But it's coming along. Now this is all part of it. You think you have everything, then you don't. That's really kind of normal. You try to get everything, but you don't. And, it happens. Once I set the radiator in place, got lots and lots of fasteners, bracketry, more fasteners, a little bit of everything. I don't like just drop them off in a bucket. I try to keep it somewhat organized, at least what part of the tractor it came off of makes it a little bit easier. But believe it or not, 9 times out of 10, either it goes together or it won't go together. So it's not all that difficult. So she's coming. Should have it done by the end of next week. Depends on how long it takes to get these formed tubes for the oil cooler to come in. There's probably 2 more hours of buttoning it up. Build up the fluid, crank it up, see what happens. Thank you.